So we made it out to the spot. Maybe, I don't know yet. Let's just say it's really nasty out. Like on the way here, condition was just, it took a turn. It's snowing and raining at the same time. It's gonna be interesting. Do I know what's going on? Absolutely not. So hopefully we can figure something out today and catch some walleyes. With that being said, stay tuned. Enough talking. Let's get out there before it gets dark. All right, we made it. We made it. I should put this over here by the wall. Since the wall is dry right here, maybe less snow will get into it, you know? Oh yeah, it's pretty gross out, not gonna lie. But we'll make it work. Let's see. First cast. I need to make this jump. Oh, okay, there we go. It's not even dark yet. It's getting there, but not too bad. Let's see if there's any fish here. So before it gets too dark, let me tell you guys exactly what I'm doing, my setup, right? I'm throwing a Genco 110. These are the Perseus jerkbaits. I love them. Check them out. My Okuma DTR custom, 7-foot, medium, light, fast action. With the Okuma Samar, my 3000, big handle, just in case I run into a pike. And this is 15-pound braid to 10-pound fluoro. And all I'm doing is making a far cast, and I'll show you guys exactly my motion here. And that lure can go, like it's way out there. All I'm doing is twitch, pause, right? I'm waiting, twitch, pause, right? And 95% of the time, they hit on the pause. Before it gets too dark, that's exactly what I'm doing. This is my cadence right here. And sometimes I'll make it even lighter, just like this. Just super light, just making that jerkbait nose up and down, that's it. And that's all I'm doing. Like I said, they'll hit on the pause because that lure is suspended. It's just hanging there. And when you go to just twitch it, oh dude, freaking loon just caught a giant bluegill. When you go to twitch it just like that, oh yeah, they just can't resist it. They'll just crush it. And another thing that I'm doing too is I'm reeling my line. I'm making sure it's straight at all times. There's no slack. That's what this big handle's for. So then when I get that turn in, I collect the line real quick. So if the fish, if the walleye decides to kiss it or just nick at it, oh, they'll hook themselves. Just being able to feel that and just drilling that hook in them is very important. And you know, over here, it's not so much of a quantity, it's more of a quality. I don't want to jinx it either, you know? I'm not looking for 10 tonight. I'm looking for 2. If I could get 2 decent, like 23, 25s, oh, I'll be happy. That's amazing. It's so quiet, I can hear my ears ringing. All you hear is the water clashing. But it's so quiet out here. Like, it's almost not normal. I think all the wind and the snow and rain scared everybody away. Oh, dude, I got a fish! I got a fish! Bro, I got a fish! Oh no! It popped off! I had a fish on! What the heck? Oh my gosh! It ran towards the shore. That was on the phone. Like, I was so confused. My line was way over here. The fish took it. That's big freaking walleye, dude. No, but that one's huge. Eyes is so separated. Got him. That's a nice one. Come on. It's not a big one, but it'll do. I'm gonna fall. It's a decent one. Oh gosh. Yes. That's a nice one. It's not as big as the one I found, but still good fish. Wow, dude, look at that. There's a good eater. Good 19 right here. Wow. Let's go. Yep, they were here. Just had to be patient. Oh, nice. Oh, it feels good now. I thought I was gonna skunk out over here. Alright guys. First walleye of the night on that Genco jerkbait. Crushed it right by the shoreline. Wow, just absolutely beautiful, man. There we go. On the jerkbait, perch color. Right there, boys. That's a nice fish. Ready to catch and release. Right here. I don't want to fall in, so. Oh, jeez. Oh, almost fell in. Oh, gosh, I'm in. All right. It's a beautiful fish. There you go, boys. Just for you guys. See ya. We did it, guys. Yes. Alright, they're here. Just gotta be patient. Got another one. Dude, right away. Back to back. Oh my gosh. Back to back. Got another one. Got another one. It's a nice one too. Dude, right away. It's a good one. It's a good fish. Oh, jeez, don't do that. Don't do that. It's another nice fish. Oh my gosh, that's a nice fish. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Dude, yes, that's a freaking tank, dude. Oh my gosh, that's a tank. Back hook, back hook. I gotta get in the water. Oh gosh, gotta get in. Dude, it's a freaking tank. Oh my gosh, it's a tank. Yes, dude. Oh my gosh, that's a nice fish. Oh my gosh, dude. Let's go. Guys, I had to get in the water for this fish. Oh my gosh. Just gotta fix him real quick. There we go. Look at that, guys. That's a solid 23, 24. Dude, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, absolutely crushed it. Alright, one last look. Gotta let it go. I don't want to be out here too long. Look at that fish. Absolutely amazing, dude. Yes. Dang, I can't believe I had to get in the water. Dude, that's nice. Oh my gosh. See ya, buddy. Go, go, go. There it is. Yes. Yes, dude. Just had to be patient. Just had to be patient. Yes. Oh, casting into the snow is not fun, dude. I can't see. I can't see. Just gotta guess. I can't face the freaking shore over there. So I can't see. Oh, I got him. I got him. I got one. I didn't even know I was hooked on. Dude, he hooked his back. He went for it and he missed and he just got his back. He got all three troubles on him. Look at this. I guess my jerkbait went for a ride. Nice. Nice fish. And let him go. Good catch. Got him. Got him. Yes. Little guy. Dang, this guy's aggressive. Freaking came up and wrecked it. Wow. Nice. Oh my goodness, that feels so good. Alright. Little guy going back. Nice.